Hello guys, and I welcome you all in this video where we're going to talk about the procrastination and how our mind control us and it prevent us from growing. Every one of every one of us want to grow, want to make our unique identity in this world, in our surroundings, in the area that we are involved with or that we are engaged in. And we see around ourselves, we see people are better than us, we see that they have a personality, they possess a personality that is admired by all. Everybody love them, everybody like them, and they comes with a positive aura, they comes with some kind of energy, they influence people. And of course, when they are absent, their absence remain present. Mind my words, when they are absent, their absence remains present in the surrounding. Why some people are so significant, why they are influencing everyone, how this is happening, what makes them different from us, or all of us want to be the person like that. We want people to like us, we want people to admire us, we want people to think high about us. That gives us a sense of uniqueness, that make us feel exist, that justify, or give that gives a testament that we also have our own identity. We want ourselves to be that much influential, that whenever we go to such some place, our presence or absence can be traced or can be noticed. But the truth is that this can absolutely happen. This is possible. But before making people to realize your identity, you must create your identity in your own eyes. You must set a goal to become unique to yourself. You must be that much influential to yourself that your presence or absence can be noticed by you. You are you are born alone in this world. This implies that first you have to show yourself, then comes the people. You want the result. Every aspect that I have told about the about an important and influential, a positive person, that all of them, each of them was the result. They are influential, they are admired, they are loved. That is the result. But why? How they have managed to achieve such importance, such behavior, or such reactions by people? Well, that came from the process, that came from the process, the practice. They are at somewhere or another, they are refining themselves. We just see their influence, but we can't see, or we don't see what they are doing to achieve that. If you think that a person is good at speaking, he wins everyone's hell heart when he speaks. You yourself think good about that person. So that is the result. You're thinking that person is influential, that person is good, but you must be conscious about what he is doing for achieving that position, or how he has managed to possess such quality that is influencing the people. If a person is a good speaker, then it must because of the reason that he practice. A person who does not practice, can never be a good speaker. For being a good speaker, you have to practice efficient, eloquent speaking skills. A person that you meet with, you see them or you see him for few seconds or few minutes or few hours. But after those hours, after the show, what is happening on the behind backside of the stage, you never know. And what is happening behind the stage is what making the performance on the stage. So when you go to people, when you join the company of other people, then it comes the time to show the game, to start the performance. And before you go to them, it's the time to grind yourself, to practice, and to become the better version of that you want to yourself. If you want people to love you, you must learn to love them. If you want people to respect you, you must learn to respect them. If you want people to help you, you must help the people first. Because this world goes on the principle of give and take. Nobody is here who is available for you without any reason. There exists a reason why. If I love someone, that is just because he or she possesses some quality that I don't have. Because we run after those things which we don't possess, or that are very difficult to possess them. If I like a girl, it means that she must possesses some qualities. She is smart, she is cute, she is influential, she is intelligent. These are the qualities which are attracting me, or which attracts everyone. We don't fall in love with the people, but we fall in the love with the personality of the people, with the personality of the person. So whatever we see about a person, about the influential nature of a person, it's just because her or his personality. And if you want to be the same or be the better one or be the next one, you have to grind yourself. You have to push your limits to the extent where you didn't, where you have not gone yet, and that need perseverance, that need discomfort, that needs that require hard work, commitment, consistency. If you want to buy something, you have to pay for it. Every quality, every quality you can possess, but for that you have to pay for that quality, and the currency is time. You have to give time. You have to give as much time as you can to that particular quality that you want to cultivate. If you want to be a good writer, you have to write. You have to pay for becoming the good or eloquent writer. If you want to become eloquent speaker, you have to speak. You have to speak for hours and hours. 15 minutes or 16 minutes would not do the work, would not lead you to anywhere. What is needed? You have to push the limits. There is no shortcut of authenticity. If you want to be authentic, if you want to be the real one in any sphere, if you want to be a good listener, you have to listen. You have to listen for hours and hours with full presence. If you want to influence people, you have to practice some qualities that would lead to the position that you want. It is not difficult, it is not impossible to possess any quality. But of course, the better the quality is, or the important or significant or rare the quality is, the more you have to pay for it. And there is no way of escape, there is no shortcut, there is no offer, coupon, or any kind of discount regarding this. You have to pay for it. Dedication. You have to give time. If you like a thing, if you go to a supermarket and you got a thing that you begin to like and you want to buy them. So first of all, what you have to do, check your balance. That if you possess, if you have that much money which can buy the product that you like. If you have the money, it's okay. If you don't have it, go and earn. As money can be earned, similarly, your efforts, your hard work could make you earn the points that would that will lead to the possessing of the quality. So in my case, अभी के लिए मुझे एक अच्छा राइटर बनना है, मुझे एक इन्फ्लुएंशियल राइटर बनना है, सो डैट मैं अपने एग्ज़ाम्स को इस तरह से लिखूं कि जो एग्ज़ामिनर है वो मुझसे इम्प्रेस हो जाए। आई वॉन्ट टू इम्प्रेस दैम। मेरे हर एक क्वेश्चन को वो जब पढ़े तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो अपने आप को रोक ना पाए पूरा पढ़ने से, या वो अपने आप को रोक ना पाए मेरी तारीफ़ करने से कि यार क्या बच्चा है ये। एंड उसके लिए मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा, मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा, मुझे हर एक क्वालिटी पर ध्यान देना पड़ेगा। दैट इज़ द ओनली वे। मेरे पास कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है। मुझे डर लग रहा है, लेकिन ये डर ख़त्म करने की, बस इस डर को ख़त्म करने का एक ही रास्ता है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा और प्रैक्टिस करूँ, और प्रैक्टिस करूँ, और प्रैक्टिस करूँ। क्योंकि ये डर सिर्फ तब तक है जब तक कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं हो। जब कॉन्फिडेंस है तो डर नहीं है, क्योंकि ना तो डर रियल है ना कॉन्फिडेंस। ये सब हमारी सोच का बाय प्रोडक्ट है। जैसा हम सोचते हैं वैसा हम बन जाते हैं। तो क्यों ना हम ऐसा सोचें जैसा हम बनना चाहते हैं, क्यों ना हम उसी प्रकार से सोचना शुरू करें जो हमारे लिए सही है। जब अगर ऐसा है कि जैसा हम सोचते हैं वैसा ही बन जाते हैं, तो क्यों ना हम वैसा ही सोचें जैसा कि हम बनना चाह रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो आई वुड एंड दिस कन्वर्सेशन बाय सेइंग दैट anything you want to become, the first step is to perceive that you have become that person. Visualize your efforts, visualize your result, and go towards it. Unless you not think that you deserve it, you can't afford it, you can't get it. First of all, make yourself realize, make yourself trust that yes, you deserve it. And of course then say I can achieve it, and just achieve it.